Welcome back to the channel, guys. I just made it to the lake and I'm getting everything unloaded right now. It's kind of cold out here, not gonna lie. The last couple days it's rained and it's been cold, so hopefully the fish didn't change. I kind of had this lake kind of patterned. I was hoping to catch a bunch of fish today, and then it got super cold, so I don't know what's gonna happen, but we're gonna give it our best shot. What else? Yeah, we just made it to the lake. I'm getting everything situated. I'm guessing it's gonna be a finesse type of day, but I don't know for sure. But yeah, I gotta get the boat launched. There's a lot of fish in here. There's not a lot of big ones, but there's some. So we're hopefully gonna catch some of those big ones, but I don't know for sure. But we're gonna give it our best shot. So let's get the boat launched and then let's get to fishing. Okay, so we made it to the first spot, but not quite sure how this is gonna fish, because last time I was here the water was like 76, and this is just reading from the top layer or the surface temperature, because that's obviously where my deucer is. But last time I was here the surface temperature was 76 and now it's 64. So yeah, the rain and the temperature definitely did a lot. So I don't know how this is gonna fish for sure. But we're just gonna get to fishing and see what happens, I guess. So let's get some lines wet, let's catch some fish. I don't think I've ever caught such a small bass. Oh my gosh. Look at this. He is literally maybe 6 inches. See ya. Heck yeah. Cast it underneath the pontoon there. That's probably at least 14. It's not bad. Heck yeah. The bite has really slowed down because of the cold water. It's not as good as it was, but we're slowly picking away. Heck yeah. See you later. There we go. Heck yeah. Come here, buddy. Heck yeah. It ain't no giant, but it's probably a 13-incher. Heck yeah. Whew. That's such a relief. I've been fishing for a while. I got a big old backlash. Had to pretty much retie, re-spool my one rod, and yeah, and then I got the Texas rig, bounced it along a big old weed edge and barely cast it in, he smoked it. So I think I might have just figured something out. So let's catch some more fish. That was sick. I had one on about that size earlier, but he came off, and then I caught the little tiny dink, and then I caught that one. So let's keep fishing. Yeah, brother. All right. There we go. Hooked him right through his tongue. Heck yeah. That fish is long. Holy cow. He's so skinny though, but he's long. Heck yeah. Come on. I put a, you guys probably can't see that because it's all mangled. But I caught him on a Texas rig, on a Senko, and he smoked it. Heck yeah, I caught one like 5 seconds before this one, and my camera turned off, so rip. But here's this one. Let's get him released. Here we go, buddy. See you later. There we go. Heck yeah. This guy's peeing. Heck yeah. Look at that. They're all the same size, but actually this one might be a little longer. He's a little fatter. This one seems kind of like he's still spawning, but I don't know. Heck yeah. Another fish. See you later. There we go, baby. They're all skinny and long. Heck yeah. So windy, I hope you guys can hear what I'm saying. Heck yeah. See you. Let's get it nice. Oh, here we go. See you later. Well, I just pulled out of the water as you guys just saw. What a great day, sorta. I was freezing at the beginning, and then I put on this windbreaker, and then I kinda got a little warm, like warmer. I wasn't like sweating or anything, but it was still kind of cold, and then the wind kind of died down like it is now. So now it's super nice. But earlier today it was ripping and kind of sucked, but either way, it's super good and super fun to be out and the outdoors, fishing, and having fun. So, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm gonna get home. I got some stuff I gotta do. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you guys so much for tuning. God bless, and we'll see you guys on the next one.